Yes, I. Blessed Heart of Love. Yeah, man, I'm here with another segment of the plants world and enlighten those that want to know about this beautiful plant, magnificent plant, God-given plant, Chaya. Yes, I am. Chaya. This is a very important plant. I think everyone needs to have this plant in their yard or produce it in abundance where they can sell to the people or educate the people, enlighten the people. You're tuned in to Face It Production 9IView TV with I, Seraphim L. Yes, I. This is a God-given plant, Chaya. This plant is a tree that related to spinach, but spinach grow on a vine. But this is a tree, very important plant. You cannot eat the leaf because they have a toxin, white stuff that comes from the leaf. When you pop it off, you see a white substance. This tree cannot eat raw. You need to boil it or cook it for 10 minutes. Yes, I. This plant, you can also boil it, as I say, and you can use it as a juice or you can make tea. It's also good mixed with lemon or honey, ginger, or with mint. Yes, I. This leaf is poisonous if you don't boil it or cook it long. A very important tree, right? Good for arthritis, asthma relief, aiding in digestion problems, aiding in memory and brain, aiding in weight management, boost the immune system, right? Boost your vision health, cough and sore throat problem. You have help lower blood pressure. Yes, right? Like I said, it's good for the cough and the throat, help in lower blood pressure, reduce the risk of asthma, right? And reduce the risk of heart disease, also stroke and headaches. Treat blister, fever, and scratches. It's good for fertilizer, compost, for the soil treatment. You can also use this, as I say, to treat your soil, as used as a compost. If you don't have no compost, you can take the leaf or the stem, break them up, and let them sit in soil, and then you could mix it with your soil when you plant certain things. This tree is also good. You could plant it in a way where it creates a fence, right? You can use it for a fence. It grows very pretty and high, and people use it for separation of their fence or keep out animals also because it grows fluffy, right? The branch is very prickly. You have to be careful because it can break easily, and when you use the leaf, you can take out at least 3% or at least 1/3 of the leaf, so the rest of the leaf can grow back pretty good. This grow in soil, dark soil, black soil, and like I said, it's very important. This is a plant very important for our health benefits. So it's an all-purpose plant, and it's a God-given plant. If you tune in to this channel, you can learn more about different plants and give thanks for all the subscribers and those that tune in to Lion Eye View TV. I am Seraphim L. Give thanks for the support. Thank you.